Welcome to the Human Rights Program at the University of Sydney. Our approach to human rights places unique emphasis on practical skills and strategic thinking, and our simulation epitomises this teaching style. The simulation offers rich and meaningful learning environments, encouraging students to participate by applying classroom lessons to real-life scenarios. Our interactive exercises and activities really help improve students' learning and are based on these 5 key elements.
First, human rights law is not the same thing as human rights. Laws alone do not adequately prevent human rights abuses, so lessons on legal theory and interpretation, while useful, are not enough. So, for example, we know that Article 33 of the Refugee Convention is meant to stop refugees from being sent back to their home countries, but protecting refugees also requires a knowledge of negotiation, managing the media, tactical skills, and lobbying. Second, to really understand a human rights violation, we need to look at the structural and systemic problems underpinning that violation. Now, these can be social, economic, historical, political, ethno-religious, or any combination of these. The best way to understand these complicated contextual dynamics is through a visual mapping exercise. Third, human rights violations and their responses occur on multiple levels: the local, the national, the regional, and the international. Data collected at the local level, for example, may be shared locally to try to change the policies or behaviors of national legislators who may magnify the cause to the United Nations. So it makes no sense to study one of these levels without recognizing the interrelationship between all of them. Fourth, no activist is an island. Exercises that help students understand the benefits of collaboration, to address the wide range of opinions and responses to a human rights abuse, are vital. Sometimes you find an appropriate ally with whom to collaborate, and sometimes you don't. The key is figuring out with whom to collaborate and when. Fifth, knowledge alone is not enough. Practice and production are essential. Practice involves activities that break down skills into easier steps, removed from distracting or intimidating high-pressure situations. And production creates realistic situations in the learning environment where students can experiment, applying their knowledge.
The simulation process was really good fun. It gave us a chance to work with our classmates in a different way. It gave us a chance to think about issues in a completely different way, to think very strategically and actually very practically about how you might operate.
These 5 points help to explain the simulation's applied activities in group collaboration, interviewing, lobbying, strategizing tactics, and mounting protests. Furthermore, students can integrate their new skills with existing experience, which allows for more effective and useful learning outcomes.